Does your home resemble a tumbleweed graveyard of pet hair? Do dust bunnies multiply faster than you can vacuum them? Fear not, fellow warriors against household chaos. Today, we deliver the Kenmore pet-friendly lightweight canister vacuum, a sleek and powerful weapon in the fight for a clean and allergen-free home. Lightweight, maneuverable, and packing a double-motor punch, this little blue beast might just be the secret weapon your cleaning arsenal needs. Let's explore its features and performance, and see if it's the perfect furry friend fighter for your home. Lightweight maneuverability, a dream for busy homes. One of the most appealing aspects of this vacuum is its weight. Clocking in at under 20 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, navigate stairs, and reach those awkward corners and crevices. The swivel steering adds to this ease of use, allowing you to effortlessly clean around obstacles without straining your back. This lightweight design is a major benefit for anyone with limited mobility, busy families on the go, or those simply tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum. Powerful cleaning performance for a deep clean. Despite its lightweight design, the Kenmore packs a punch with its two-motor system. This delivers strong suction for deep cleaning carpets and rugs, effectively removing dirt, debris, and even stubborn pet hair. The 4 height adjustments allow you to customize the suction for optimal cleaning on carpets of varying thicknesses, hard floors like tile or laminate, and even delicate surfaces. Extended reach for those hard-to-reach areas. Say goodbye to dust bunnies hiding under furniture or cobwebs clinging to high ceilings. The Kenmore boasts an extendable, lightweight aluminum telescoping wand that reaches up to 9.5 feet. This allows you to clean a wider variety of surfaces without constant bending, stooping, or switching tools. Additionally, the detachable handle offers further cleaning flexibility, making furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces a breeze to tackle. Triple HEPA filtration system. Breathe easy and clean. If allergies or pet dander are a concern, Kenmore's triple HEPA filtration system is a game changer. This advanced filtration system captures a staggering 99–97% of dust, dirt, and allergens, trapping them inside the vacuum and improving indoor air quality. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners or those suffering from allergies. Convenience features for effortless cleaning. The Kenmore prioritizes user-friendliness with several convenient features that streamline your cleaning routine. The 26-foot retractable cord provides a good cleaning radius without constant cord swapping. The automatic cord rewind eliminates the need to manually wrap the cord, saving you time and frustration. Additionally, the included accessories: a brush, a crevice tool, a bare floor tool, and 2 HEPA bags store neatly on the vacuum itself, keeping everything organized and readily accessible. Is the Kenmore pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum right for you? This vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning solution. Here's who might benefit most. Pet owners. The powerful suction and HEPA filtration effectively tackle pet hair and allergens. Apartment dwellers. Compact size and lightweight design are ideal for smaller living spaces. Busy families. Quick and efficient cleaning with convenient features makes cleaning less of a chore. What to consider before you buy. While the Kenmore is a great general-purpose vacuum, it might not be ideal for everyone. Here are some things to consider. Deep carpet cleaning. For homes with extremely thick carpets, a more powerful upright vacuum might be necessary. Bag replacement costs. This is a bagged vacuum, so factor in the ongoing cost of replacing HEPA bags. Overall, the Kenmore pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum is a strong contender in the lightweight canister vacuum category. Its powerful suction, versatility, and HEPA filtration make it a valuable addition to most homes. While it might not be the most powerful machine on the market, it offers excellent value for its price and is a great option for those seeking a user-friendly and convenient cleaning experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.